Bay leaf needs no introduction. It is one of the must-have spices in every Indian kitchen. It is in its whole form as well as in the derived oil form is known to have a plethora of health benefits. Bay leaf tea is one of the prominent beverages that is known to reduce the risk of diabetes, cancer, help treat brain disorders, kidney stones, as well as accelerate wound healing. Bay leaf adds flavor and aroma to most Indian dishes, but bay leaf can also be used in making some of the potent great tea blends. It gives out a flavorful, soothing smell and a better taste to your tea. But apart from that, most people drink it as a natural health drink. There are several bay leaf tea benefits that make it a superb, naturally healthy choice for a beverage. Here are some of the prominent health benefits it has to offer. Number 1. Bay leaf contains anti-inflammatory agents. Drinking bay leaf tea can help relieve pain such as sprain, joint pains, or even arthritis. Studies also shows that it helps fight diabetes. Number 2. Drinking bay leaf tea helps prevent many common ailments like cold, cough, and flu. Number 3. Bay leaf tea can soothe your digestive tract. It helps you avoid constipation and other digestive disorders. Bay leaves are also known to stimulate the gastrointestinal tract, promote urination, which can eliminate the body's toxin content, and this enhances the body's nutrient absorption capacity too. Number 4. Bay leaf tea can relax the body. It reduces blood pressure, improves blood circulation, and decreases cholesterol levels. Number 5. If you have been looking for ways to lose weight, drink a glass of bay leaf tea twice a day. Bay leaf tea accelerates body metabolism and helps promote weight loss. How to prepare bay leaf tea? If you have fresh bay leaves, then you can take 4 to 5 bay leaves and cut them in small pieces. If you do not have fresh bay leaves, then you can use the dried bay leaves. Pour 2 to 3 cups of water in a vessel and boil it. Add the bay leaves to it. Keep boiling for 4 to 5 minutes. Strain the water and pour into a cup. If you like, add honey to it. Enjoy this refreshing drink first thing in the morning. You can have 2 to 3 cups during the day.